Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today I want to share with you how to become a professional graphic designer within 3 months or even less, and it will be less depending on how persistent you are and how dedicated you will be to whatever that I'll be saying in this video. So if you don't want to miss, subscribe and let's get started. One is developing a passion for it. There are many ways people will tell you reasons, but one thing for sure is developing a passion for graphic design, and not only just graphic design but any other tech field or any field you want to go into. If you don't have passion for it, you are not going to go far. You can develop the skills, you can develop the aptitude and everything, but without passion you are not going to get the real results, because it is passion that will keep you going when the money is not yet coming. You're not going to get money at the beginning. So passion is what will keep you going before the money will start coming, or before whatever results you are looking for starts coming. So first of all, develop a passion for it. And when you develop a passion for it, we'll go on to the next point, which is learn graphic design principles. Graphic design is not just a combination of pictures and text to get some results. There are principles guiding everything. We have color theories, we have text theory, how to use fonts, how to use colors, matching the colors, how to use background images, and a whole lot. There are principles that you can learn. When you just go to YouTube and search graphic design theory, it's a theory on itself. Just like you have the theories in mathematics, theories in chemistry and physics or economics, we also have theory in graphic design, and these theories are going to help you produce the best results and help you get highly quality design. Because if you attach yourself, or if you strictly follow these principles, you are going to have nothing but the best graphic design. So learn the principles either on YouTube, or you go to Udemy and you get some there to learn. The next one is free tutorials. There is a way that you can start. You may not be able to buy courses at the beginning to be able to enhance your skill. Just go to YouTube and search how to become a graphic designer or graphic design for beginners. You are going to get videos. Some will be 1 hour long. I personally have videos on this. I have a full Photoshop course which is titled Photoshop Made Easy. You can just check on my channel and you have it. There are many other creators out there who have created content for free on YouTube that can help you start. So if you're able to follow these videos persistently, follow them very well, you're going to start doing something. And don't just watch the videos like you're watching a movie. With graphic design, you have to watch the video and have a software which you practice with. So you should watch the videos to learn on the software. Don't just watch the videos and keep piling knowledge. At the end of the day, you're going to gain nothing. Practice the same, make perfect. So learn the tools watching the video. So that is the key thing you have to do. It's YouTube free. All you need is your data. You can download them and watch at any time in your comfort zone. The next one is to enroll in a graphic design course. You probably may be thinking, yes, I've watched on YouTube, I'm not professional. No. On YouTube, free things are not always going to give you the best results. Even those who create free YouTube courses, they have paid ones where they teach in-depth knowledge. Personally for me, for about a year, I was only relying on YouTube and my results were not, I wasn't getting much. But when I started to enroll on professional courses on Udemy, and you're probably thinking that you don't have money, just send me a message on my email, Yapzor, or on WhatsApp. Just check in the description, find it, and I'll teach you how to get free coupons. That's 100% coupons on these courses, graphic design courses, to be able to enhance your skills. So if you're already doing graphic designs, you've been watching YouTube videos and you want to upgrade yourself, just DM me and I'll help you. And if you have the money, just go to udemy.com, Coursera, and the other Skillshare. There are many websites where you can go to buy courses. And even some graphic designers who do videos on YouTube, they have their private websites where you can buy these videos to watch. And when you watch them, they help improve yourself and you build up your skill level. And also in the process of building up your skill level, do well to learn a particular software. There are many softwares for graphic design, I agree. We have Photoshop, we have Canva, we have Pixel Lab. There are many softwares out there. Some are free, some are not free. you can just get one of them and start working with. Get yourself acquainted with it, and when you become a professional, you can now learn the others inclusive. If you are learning many at the beginning, you are likely to confuse yourself. So if you're a beginner, you can use canva.com, which is online, or you can go with Photoshop. That's if you're able to get the right tutorials, and you can improve yourself as time goes by. So enrolling yourself on the course is just to help you build yourself in those areas. The next point I want to share with you is to work on free projects or personal projects. Anything you want to do, you can just create a flyer for yourself, create flyers for your friends. If they have businesses, create flyers for them. If you're in a church or whichever group you are, they have a program, just create a flyer for it. Personally, I didn't know I could do graphic designs. It was just randomly that I was creating flyers for our church group on campus here, and people realized that it was good. That was when I found the need to pursue graphic design as a career, as a skill path, and I can take it as my career path if I so desire, because I've learned it over time. So do those free projects. At the beginning, you don't get clients. No one is just going to come and be like, please, you are learning how to do graphic design, take my project and do. No one is going to do that. What you have to do is you have to create free projects. People will see that and come to you for projects. It is out of those free projects that people are going to come to you for projects. Moreover, there are some clients, before they give you their work, they'll ask you, send us your old works, the works that you've ever worked on. And if you've not worked on any project yet, you have the skill, but you've never worked on anything, what are you going to show for? So be willing to work on free projects. But that doesn't mean you should start demanding free projects from me, please. Some people are there, when it comes to professional graphic design, let me put it in this video, there are things that people have learned and they require that you pay for them. So if you are willing to get professional work, also be willing to pay. Yes, be willing to pay clients, people who have done your work for you, who have done your graphic design works for you. If you pay them, it's not just about the money. It's just that you are appreciating them for what they are doing. People starting out may do it for you free, but when people get to a particular point, they've invested a lot of resources into the particular work. So when they've invested resources and you just want to come and get it free and go, it doesn't work that way. If the person is offering to you free, that is cool. But if the person is offering to you free and you know that he or she has the capacity to do it well for you and professionally, why not pay the person and get your work done? You are going to pay the doctor for treating, you are going to pay the nurse for doing any work for you, you are going to pay the lawyer for his services. But why are you not paying the graphic designer? So do this. Sorry for diverting, but I think it's a very important point I must put out. And the last point I'll share in this video before I give you a bonus is build a portfolio. Building a portfolio is simple, like I said earlier on, getting some free projects. Get a website where you can upload your video, your files there, your graphic design projects there, or Instagram. Instagram is free, Facebook is free, Twitter is free. On these platforms, when you put your works out there, even LinkedIn, people see it and they are able to contact you for the work. So if you don't have a portfolio, just create a portfolio right now, even at the beginning, and you put your progress there, how you start, how you get to the end. When people see that progress, they are willing to give you their works to work with. So that's it for this video. And for a bonus, there are graphic design resources that I have for you. Yes, there are graphic design resources that can help you make your graphic work easy. There are a group of PNGs, mockups, books that you can even read to improve your skill on graphic design, and these are all in one course, which was for $10,000. Sorry, naira. 10,000 naira is equivalent to 163 cedis. So if you need these resources, it has been reduced to 1,000 naira. That is 17 cedis. So if you have 17 cedis, just go down the description below and click on the link to download those resources for yourself. And note, I'm going to get a commission of 30% when you purchase it, so do it for my sake. Just go down there and get those professional courses, those professional files for yourself, and you'll be on your way to become a professional designer. And you have any questions, just leave it in the description below. Subscribe to my channel for more other content that are coming, and I'll do my best to keep a series on how to become a professional graphic designer and even how to make money out of graphic design. So if you found value in this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much. Until I see my next video, is